Hi everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. I'm just going to give you a short little update from southern part of the United States. I'm still in Orlando, Florida. Been here for about a month now, and like I said in my previous video, I came here to help out to set up a little shopping network, TV studio type thing. And as of last night, I pretty much completed the technical end of it, and we are starting to broadcast. Matter of fact, we did a little test broadcast last night, and the guys were up and about, and I'm going to show you a little bit of clips here as the production was going along. I can't wait to get back to Philippines. I probably will be here for another month or so, trying to help them to get personnel that needs to run this trained and that kind of stuff. So I'm working on that. That'll be the second phase of this, and I'm going to try to have that done in the next couple, 3 weeks, and hopefully by September I'll be back home. Can't wait to get home, start vlogging again. I've been slacking really bad here, but I want to go home and get that done. I enjoy doing it, and I know a lot of you out there are waiting for some content. We're going to try to provide it for you. Anyway, I'm going to show you around a little bit here in the studio, and there'll be just a short update. All right, guys, so just to show you around a little bit in the studio, I have set it up with a small little green screen. Got a couple of broadcast cameras up there. We have some more cameras and lights in the corner back down there. And as of today, we have accomplished the technical side of it, and they're doing a little shopping network here. So primarily they do auctions via television or through internet. So their feeds are live, and if you're interested to take a look at them, you can actually go to planetauction.tv, and you should see some live feeds there. Anyway, to set up a couple of broadcast cameras, fairly simple setup, a little light grid, and here is this big screen TV here. Their guys are using it when they're setting out the product so they can make sure that the shot looks okay. Back here you have the switcher, we call it, right? So it's just a PC built switching system using a software called vMix. For you vloggers out there, if you're interested, vMix gives a 60-day full version trial, and it's a pretty cool little software. And down here in this mess, I have my edit bay where I edit clips and other things, and it has been a lot of that. You know, they're getting in quite a bit of product, and some of the products needs to be filmed, edited, photographed for website purposes, and other things. And here we have a little bit of props for products and product display. And here's a different view of the studio from the control booth. Anyway, that's just a short little view of the studio. Here's the manager's desk, and down there we have a little bit of a call call center capability. They have a couple of phones to take orders. And once I get back to Philippines, we're actually going to try out to open up a little call center down there to do that. Back here we have the little storage, but we have built a little host station here. We are in the mall, and for the host to be out there with the production, there's a lot of noise, and there's a bingo hall down there, and it interferes with the host and the microphones. People call him bingo numbers rather than hearing his voice. Let me see if I can't turn this on so you can see what they how they look at it. All right, let me turn this on so you can see if how they look at it. Okay, I got a camera up there. Let me go and fix that. It's done out here. I'm gonna close down that camera so you can see what the host is seeing. Basically, the host is seeing and the same thing we're doing here. So so basically the host is saying he sits here and hosts and does his sales pitches and auction stuff, and then people are on the phone taking bids, relaying bids back here in this room. Just a small little studio, but it's functional, and we wish them all luck, as I will be hopefully heading back here. Not before long. I might stay here another 2-3 weeks. So I'm sure you can hear the noise. In here, by the way, they're going to also have live auctions. So they have a bunch of chairs back here, and they're going to have jewelry sales. So it'd kind of be a little jewelry store in the front of this. At some point, they're going to block off for the studio back there. Just to give you a hint on what's going on. That was a short little update of what I'm doing here. There's nothing I'd rather do than be back in Philippines and do ride my bike and do the vlogging, and hopefully in a few weeks here I'll be back there and on track. If you are a first-time viewer, there's a lot of videos we have put out over the last few months. We have put out probably about 250-300 videos, and 99% of the content is from Philippines. So go ahead and search in the video, click the videos, and you will see a lot of different videos in there that you can enjoy while we are finishing up this project. Thank you for watching. God bless. If you like our videos, hit that subscribe button, and God bless. Take care. Bye-bye.